Hello YouTube, welcome to Kutech GB. Today I'm about to be showing you two apps that pays you cryptocurrency through Coinbase. So the app we'll be talking about is free Ethereum spin and free Litecoin. So first of all, let's talk about free Ethereum spin. So free Ethereum spin is an app that pays you Ethereum for just spinning. No stress, nothing. You can also refer people to the system to earn more cryptocurrency. So how this app really work is that first of all you need to have a Coinbase wallet so that you can be able to use the email to to open this particular Ethereum spin app. So after you have done that, you just need to click on the spin and wait for it. As you can see, the 50,000 on top is the hash rate that is the power given to you to be able to spin this uh, this Ethereum. Is just like a game, so all you need to do is just spin till this 50,000 power given to you is exhausted. So let's keep playing. So the more you spin, the amount that you are given, and it will also add to your wallet. If you do love this video, please subscribe, click the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post my new video. So you see automatically it's already added the amount to my spin, which is my Ethereum that I I have not withdraw, and my current withdrawal is 668,280. So you just keep spinning and spinning and spinning. Sometimes you are lucky, you get big like 3,000, 1,000, 2,000. Once a while I have gotten up to like 2,000, sometimes 3,000. It took time, but sometimes it do work out. So don't worry, I will link the link on the description below, so you can be able to download the two app. I will put the link in the description below. So the other app we will be talking about, you see, I just earned 3,000. So the more you spend, the more you get. Nothing to lose. Instant withdraw also. So my bad, network is bad. So the other one we will be talking about is free light spin. So free light spin is also just like the other that you the Ethereum spin. So this one you have, I have 30,630 energy now, but the maximum is 50,000. So all you just need to do is click on let's play and wait for it. And recently I have 12,663 Litushi. So if you do love this video, please subscribe, click the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post my new video. So I will put the link in the description below so that you can be able to download this particular app. So So all you need to do is click on let's go. Once you click on let's go, wait for it. So it start calculating. So they reduce each play you each spin you do, they collect 2000 energy. So I was just giving 129 Litoshi. So let's keep playing. The more you play, the more you get. So I have withdrawn some amount from this free Litecoin and also the Ethereum spin. There is no minimum withdrawal. Once you click on withdraw, instantly your money will, your cryptocurrency will be deposited to your account. So if you do love this video, please like, drop a comment, and click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I post my next video. Please do have a nice day.